Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Prevost high-premium military motorhome is a fascinating fusion of the most reliable and cutting-edge features of commercial vehicle production with the customized luxury and independence that wealthy people or specific government applications require. An unmatched foundation of durability, engineering prowess, and ride quality would be brought to such a unique vehicle by Prevost, a well-known builder of luxury motor coaches and bus shells. Externally, the 2026 Prevost high-premium military motorhome would probably go for a commanding, functional elegance above conventional aesthetic flourishes. The requirements of robustness and covert functionality would determine its design. You should anticipate a robust, reinforced steel or aluminum body with integrated ballistic protection, though this would probably be a highly specialized optional feature. A matte or low-sheen coating would be applied to the outside to reduce reflections and visual indicators. Functional features like strong recovery points, built-in floodlighting, and sophisticated camouflage, albeit subdued for a civilian spec version, would highlight its military inclinations. Standard equipment would include big, sturdy wheels with run-flat or all-terrain tires, ready for a variety of demanding conditions. The overall silhouette would clearly communicate strength and independence while maintaining the recognizable Prevost coach profile. On the inside, the high-premium label would mean an unwavering dedication to comfort, luxury, and cutting-edge technology in a safe and independent setting. In contrast to standard luxury motorhomes, every part would be built with exceptional dependability and durability in mind. The living areas would be painstakingly designed with the best materials, able to withstand the strains of travel as well as possible outside influences. This could feature safe, concealed compartments, impact-resistant surfaces, and reinforced cabinetry. Gourmet kitchens with top-notch appliances, large living spaces, opulent bed quarters, and elegant baths are all features of the highly adaptable layouts that are intended for prolonged off-grid operation. The autonomous capabilities and defensive features are what really define the military element in a high-end setting. Advanced air and water filtration systems, a reliable, multi-redundant power generation system, including solar arrays, silent generators, and large battery banks, and sophisticated communication systems that can stay in touch in isolated or compromised areas are all likely features of this motorhome. Additionally, security features, such as sophisticated surveillance systems, fortified entryways, and extensive fire suppression systems, would be crucial. The infrastructure of the car would be built to be fully self-sufficient for weeks or perhaps months at a time without the need for outside resupply. The Prevost chassis would be greatly improved underneath to support the added weight of opulent features and safety precautions, while maintaining an exceptionally stable and smooth ride. A strong, dependable powertrain and heavy-duty suspension systems, maybe with variable dampening, would guarantee secure handling on a variety of terrains. The driver's cockpit would combine mission-critical controls for the motorhome special equipment with the ergonomic elegance of a contemporary Prevost coach. For individuals who require the highest level of protection, independence, and comfort, regardless of the operational environment, the 2026 Prevost high-premium military motorhome would essentially be the epitome of engineering and design, a powerful, independent, and opulent mobile fortress.